Hello, friend. My name is Sagar Vyas, and I'm going to walk you through the brand new Liferay 7. That's going to be released on third quarter of the next year. I'm on Liferay 7 Alpha 2 version, and it's community version that I'm using right now. And Liferay 7 as a portal has done huge changes compared to 6.2. It's like a new portal. It's like a brand new portal you are seeing. They have done changes in development. They have done changes in almost all aspects of the library. Like they have implemented modularity. They believe in the microservices. So what they did is they removed dependency XMLs like portlet.xmls, live reportlet.xmls, and all xmls which you earlier you configured to in order to get your portlets. So now everything is in module base. So the reason basically they wanted to um, make everything is a decoupled. You can plug and play everything you want. So that is the main agenda behind that. There are lots of other reasons. There are lots of other technical reasons that I'm not going to cover on this, but there are you know quite couple of things that that makes that change that microservices. All right. Without talking much, let me just jump into the portlet. I'm trying to log in here, and I'm trying to log in with my test participant as Liferay standard. And here we go. That is a new brand, new Liferay 7. This is a pretty simple look. It's totally different look than what we have seen so far in 6.2 and 6.1. These look and feel is pretty, you can see when you hover on page, you will see some pop-up effect that gives you more classic look. This is a basic look and feel of the library. Obviously, you know that we can create our own themes and we can apply on page. So let me just start with these things. Here I can see the left menu. If I click on that, I'll be having a three things: sites, MySpace, and control panel. If I'm already in the site, so you can see the pages. In the pages I can change the site pages. In content I can have a page, web content, document, media, blog, bookmarks, message board, etc. Um, and I'll be having a users where I can have a site membership, site teams. I have configurations where I can see the site setting, application display template, social activities, and workflow configurations and mobile device families. That is something I guess newly introduced, and they have made a lot of changes on that. If it is not newly implemented, stagings and configuration, export and import. These are the sections they have given in sites. Um, in MySpace, they probably having they are talking about your space, means the persons who is currently logged in. So basically they have provided account settings, my workflow tasks, my submissions, and all the stuff they have given here. And in control panel is now, so you can see that everything is in the same page. In early versions, when we click on the control panel and it brings us to the some different page, your page get refreshed and you brings to the different page. But here, unless and until you are not click on any of one of these things, they are keep you in same page. So it gives you a more fast user interface, fast interactions. You feel like you are working with the fast system. That is good about that is what I like so far. If I click on one of the things, like for example sites, I'll be having a stuff two sites and all the sites that is available here, and they have provided the information that what sites, type and members active and pending requests and all the stuff. Here they have given a menu where I can leave and deactive and all the stuff which I used to do with the sites, that I can do it from here. So you feel like you are on the same page. Here again, they have provided menu that how to display sites. So it is like we have selected list. Here is a search. Here is site template and page template. So if I click on a site, I'll be having a in the left menu, I'll be having options. For example, if I'm in a site, Liferay sites, and I'm clicking on, let's say, if I click on a web content is here. It has like thumb view, list view, and other views available. Um, if I click here, I'll be having a two options. Still, I am on a Liferay sites of web content, but I'll be having options. You can see that there's a white line over here which says Liferay site is selected. If I click here on a global, that means it brings me to the global sites, and that is now I'm seeing the web content portions of the global. So it's like for you is nothing happen. It's like a you are seeing one content to another content. That's all you feel. So it's like a you feel like lightning speed in this transactions of the or this navigations. Let me just go back to the Liferay again. Our home sites. I'm on homepage now again. Um, okay, MySpace. We have covered that. This okay. Here in down of this menu, they have provided image of the user, the first name and last name. You can click on the profile, and you can click on of the dashboard of the user, and you can click on the sign out button. So that is all about the left menu of Liferay 7. Let me just cover the first three buttons, what it is about. If you click on the aid button, you will be having a content, applications, and page, three tabs inside that. So it's popped out from the right side of my desktop. Um, you can click on applications where you'll be having all portlets available uh, for you, like my sites, bookmark, community portlet, collaborations sections, content management, anything that you can. For our just for our understanding, we can I can try one portlet. We can search from any portlet here that we used to do in other version. Uh, so I am trying to add one blog portlet to just see the look and feel of how it looks like. So I'll click on add entry. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's totally new look and feel. You can see the title here. Where's this is title. So the reason behind this look and feel is because they wanted to give us a feel at the time of the editing blog that how it's going to be look like to the end user. So you don't need to even publish, you don't need to even click on a preview. You just type here and you will be having a um, idea that what's going to be, how the site's going to be look like to the end user. So this is subtitle, title, and here this is my test content. And here there is one button given. If I click here, I'll be having one look and feel. Says, okay, this is what I'll be having in HTML. So I'll click on maximize more. So okay, that is pretty cool. I can have on left side I have a HTML and the right side I have a actual content. So I don't need to go back and forth and back to just check that how it looks like after editing HTML. For example, if I want to add something like this is Sagar, I'm seeing the effect right away in my right side. Again, they have given us some options here like a vertical, horizontal look, one look. No, so that is something really good. Give you interface, so that gives you more confidence while you are editing your content in blog. You can see that we can drag and drop image here, and we can click on publish. and boom, we are on page again, and this is our first blog. Congratulations. All right. So here, the pretty much everything is same as what we had earlier. Nothing new. The menu we can see here, move to the recycle bin. That is something I haven't used 6.2 much, so maybe they haven't provided there or not. I don't know. But this is something I found here, that you can move your content to the recycle bin. Um, okay, let's see again what's there, what else. So if I click on a content, I can see in recent they have provided me this content. I can click on this, and okay, that's as a publisher that I have added. Wow. So this is pretty much the content which you have recently accessed. So those are the contents. Again, they have given a paginations here, the way of look and feel of icon. This is the one desktop, descriptive, sorry, and list. Here they have given a name of a number of content can be on the same page. So if I'll select five, uh, I can have a five content in a page, and then after I'll be having a navigation. So this is all about content. Applications I already mentioned, and we have one more thing that is called page here. I already have added page called test here. That is you can see here in navigation menu. I can click here. I can go ahead and add one more page for you guys. Let me just, so I'm clicking on the add page, and let's say sample page. I can see I can select the language. That pretty much the same thing which I used to do. I can select the types. I can have a one column layout, two column layout, or I can have a freedom layout. Different configurations of the page, and if I'll click on edit page, I'll be having a page, and I have added public page in our guest community, that is Liferay. You can see there I have only one theme available, that is classic theme, and I'm going back to the our Liferay homepage. All right, so this is menu. You can see the user search portlet given here. You can search the contents. You can configure search portlet by clicking on that. You can probably configure your navigations pretty easily. Right now, if I'm click here, I am moving to the page. Yeah, that is all navigation to, nothing new on that. But yeah, so here they have provided user interface. If I click on here, I'll be having options to click on my profile, my dashboard, my account, and sign out. It's pretty much similar what we had seen here. They have given one more thing, that is preview. If you click on the preview, you're probably having a preview of smartphone, tablet, desktop, and auto size. You can have your own size for your testing. So that is something very handy they have provided. Um, yeah, so that is all things about Liferay 7. Um, Again, I have used Liferay 7 Alpha 2 community version, and hope you enjoyed this video. Um, any comments would be really appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.